Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for 23rd September, Thursday, the expiry day. Today was a no trading day for us. We were this black trend line that I've drawn, right? We were hoping that the uh, price would break out of it, then probably will go long. Since that didn't happen, we didn't take a trade. As most part of the day, you can see I'm just going to turn off these lines. You can see the price remained within the CPR, so there was not a good trade for us today. Now coming to the trade possibilities for tomorrow, I'll just turn on all the resistance and the support lines. Sorry, the support line should be in green. Okay, see, this trend line can be a very important line tomorrow. In case we get a breakout of this, probably wait for a retest and then go long. Probably that's our plan, to go long. And want to show you for the short side, right? In case we start slipping further. See, today we thought we won't break 37,000, but we broke 37,000 and got even a close below 37,000. So there is a possibility that we could slip further. And how will that trade be is, see, for tomorrow, the previous day low and the close is pretty close, right? So depending on the global market, whether we gap up or gap down, in case we break this support of 36,890, okay, we have taken support here even yesterday, today twice. So in case we break this, which is also the previous day low, we could see further downside. Since S1 is pretty close by, I'm expecting a dip at least until 36,600 or even 36,500. This 36,500 is again a strong support, because even previously we started this rally from 36,500. Even yesterday we took a support here. Yesterday was a very good day for trading. We came down, took exactly support at 36,500 and went up. So in case we slip, 36,500 is a can be a good target and a good support. We might see a bounce again from here. And for some reason, if we break 36,500, yeah, we could see further levels on the downside. That is, first would be 36,300 and 36,100. I don't think we will slip so much, but I just have the levels marked. And the trade, as mentioned earlier, on the upside is probably I'll wait for a breakout of this and not go immediately on the long side. Wait for a retest and see if the price takes support at this black trend line, and then probably go long. The first target would be this previous day high, that is 37,300, and then R2 and all the levels that are marked on the upside. Why a retest and a support is important is, even on this day, when probably few days back, when this before this big rally that we got, you can see the price kind of broke out of this black trend line, took support here, and then the move came on the upside, right? So similarly, I'm expecting that we could take support and go up. In case we just get one candle that breaks and we don't get a retest of this black trend line, at least I'll see if we can get a retest of this pivot level, or if this breaks until here, a retest of R1. Some retest and a confirmation to go long is always a better trade. And on the downside, I did mention that this is a very good support. If this breaks, we could see further downside. Let's just look at the open interest, and then I just want to show you something on an hourly chart in Banknifty also. See, for Banknifty tomorrow, there's a good resistance on the upside. There's good number of calls that's being written. Even 37,000 call, there is a good resistance and a very strong support at 35,000. For tomorrow expiry, I don't think we will slip below 35,000. Okay, I don't know whether this will come in the beginning of the day, whether we will hit 35,000 at the beginning in the opening, or probably later part of the anytime. If we slip until 35,000, this is a very good support. And what I want to show you on an hourly chart is just a chart pattern for Banknifty. See, we also have this trend line where the Banknifty might take support apart from the 36,500. This is also coming around the same level, 36,590 or 600. If we come here, now say the price action comes here, then we might bounce or we might break, but there is a chart pattern forming. I'm just showing it to you. So I just show all the possibilities, like what happens tomorrow is all depends on the market. See, this is still not at form, but if this right shoulder forms, we could have a head and shoulder breakdown and slip further as well. If not tomorrow, probably next week or on Friday. It's just a possibility. It's just something that I found, so I'm just sharing this. Now coming to Nifty, even Nifty today remained sideways after the move that we got yesterday. We got a pretty good rally yesterday, and the interesting thing is in Nifty we have not broken this level, that is 17,600, and I'm going to place this support line over here itself. And these green lines are the support on the downside, and Nifty is having a narrow CPR, so we could have a pretty trending move in Nifty tomorrow, either on the upside or downside. The one chart pattern that I have observed is this. See, this price action after a big up move, this price action is this chart pattern is kind of forming like a flag and a pole chart pattern. So if we break this, so if we break 17,600, yeah, we could see a good move on the upside for Nifty. And if this level of 17,540 is broken, then we can see further downside with the CPR levels of S1, S2, and there is a possibility, there is a strong support at 17,430. so even retesting 17,430 is a possibility. The down move or the up move will depend on the global markets, how we close today. We'll have to wait for that. Now just looking at the open interest for Nifty, we have a very good resistance at 17,600, so breaking 17,600 for tomorrow could be difficult, and 17,500 as a good support. So we could be in this range, and if we get a big move, it should break, as I mentioned, it should break out of 17,600 and 17,500 on the downside. It's pretty much same thing what we saw on the charts. So this is a plan for tomorrow. Hope tomorrow we have a good trading day, as today we didn't trade. Seeing the white CPR and not getting a breakout above this trend line, so we called it a day in this price action. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. Hope tomorrow we get a good profitable day. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.